आज पढ़ा कम्युनिटी हेल्थ नर्सिंग 20 इंपोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू। स्टार्ट करने पूर्व समस्त टिके लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु। आज प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखा ए सब सेंटर इज सिचुएटेड ओवर ए पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ए सब सेंटर इज सिचुएटेड ओवर ए पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ऑप्शन ए 12,000 to 13,000, ऑप्शन बी 20,000 to 30,000, ऑप्शन सी 3,000 to 5,000, ऑप्शन डी 1 lakh। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी 3,000 to 5,000। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ए कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर इज सिचुएटेड ओवर ए पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ए कम्युनिटी हेल्थ सेंटर इज सिचुएटेड ओवर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ ऑप्शन ए 20,000 to 30,000, ऑप्शन बी 3,000 to 5,000, ऑप्शन सी 3 lakh, ऑप्शन डी 80,000 to 1,20,000। So correct answer is option D 80,000 to 1,20,000। Next question, an Anganwadi worker is appointed over a population of an Anganwadi worker is appointed over a population of option A 2,000, option B 3,000, option C 1,000, option D 500। So correct answer is option C 1,000। Next question, in Gobi of UNICEF G refers to in Gobi of UNICEF G refers to option A growth chart, option B growth retardation, option C growth period, option D all of the above। So correct answer is option A growth chart। Next question, which is the most appropriate time of IUD insertion is which is the most appropriate time of IUD insertion is option A anytime, option B during or within 10 days of menstruation, option C best before menstruation, option D age per choice। So correct answer is option B during or within 10 days of menstruation। Next question, treatment therapy which is used for TB is treatment therapy which is used for TB is option A ORS, option B DOTS, option C vaccination, option D MDT। So correct answer is option B DOTS। Next question, BCG vaccine is given at BCG vaccine is given at option A 9 months, option B 12 months, option C at birth, option D 5 years। So correct answer is option C at birth। Next question, universal immunization program was started in universal immunization program was started in option A 1795, option B 1895, option C 1995, option D 1995। So correct answer is option D 1995। Next question, polio is the mainly infected of polio is the mainly infection of option A muscular system, option B respiratory tract, option C central nervous system, option D all of the above। So correct answer is option C central nervous system। Next question, measles vaccine is a option A live viral vaccine, option B live bacterial vaccine, option C killed viral vaccine, option D killed bacterial vaccine। So correct answer is option A live viral vaccine। Next question, ASHA full form option A accredited social health worker, option B activist social health provider, option C accredited social health activist, option D associated social health activist। So correct answer is option C accredited social health activist। Next question, chickenpox is caused due to infection of chickenpox is caused due to infection of option A bacteria, option B fungi, option C virus, Option D, protozoa. So correct answer is option C, virus. Next question. Asa not posted as. Asa not posted as. Option A, PHC. Option B, CHC. Option C, sub-center. Option D, super special hospital. So correct answer is option D, super special hospital. Next question. Temporary hardness of water is removed by. Temporary hardness of water is removed by. Option A, boiling. Option B, filtration. Option C, chlorination. Option D, all of these. So correct answer is option A, boiling. Next question. Bullet shape virus is. Bullet shape virus is. Option A, AIDS virus. Option B, rabies virus. Option C, polio virus. Option D, smallpox virus. Correct answer is option B, rabies virus. Next question. Still birth rate includes babies dead after. Still birth rate includes babies dead after. Option A, 40 weeks. Option B, 28 weeks. Option C, 15 weeks. Option D, 42 weeks. So correct answer is option B, 28 weeks. Next question. Malaria transmission occurs by. Malaria transmission occurs by. Option A, airborne. Option B, waterborne. Option C, vector-borne. Option D, all of these. So correct answer is option C, vector-borne. Next question. Nurse will advise the mother to isolate the children with measles for. Nurse will advise the mother to isolate the children with measles for. Option A, 7 days. Option B, 15 days. Option C, 10 days. Option D, 2 days. So correct answer is option A, 7 days. Next question. In following which disease has been eradicated from all over the world? In following which disease has been eradicated from all over the world? Option A, AIDS. Option B, cholera. Option C, chickenpox. Option D, smallpox. So correct answer is option D, smallpox. Last question is the target health for all by 2000 AD was declared by. The target health for all by 2000 AD was declared by option A, WHO. Option B, TNAI. Option C, UNICEF. Option D, Red Cross Society. So correct answer is option A, WHO. थैंक यू आज एति नेक्स्ट सेशन रे पुणी नुआ नुआ क्वेश्चन नहीं आसवा।